I'm doing something really stupid today. We're gonna go shopping today. This is gonna be my new office bid. Already closing. We're gonna go shopping today, and not for what you guys think. We're not buying a car. I bought too many cars, and all of them are broken, okay? I just lied. We're gonna go shopping, but I don't know if I'm gonna win. And I kind of have a feeling that I am gonna win, because if you guys look at the track record, everybody who bids on Copart for an exotic car, let me just rephrase, hyper car, never pays. So I got a strategy this time. Now Tony, listen to the strategy, okay? It's a really good strategy, I promise you, okay? I'm not gonna bid, and that's why I said I'm not going shopping. I'm gonna let someone else bid. And I'm gonna gamble on the fact that they are not going to pay when they win the auction. Just like the P1, I think went through auction 3 times, okay? And they finally sold it outside of the auction to Freddie Tavares. And he's currently fixing it, looks great. I've seen plenty of pictures. He's doing a great job. I am bidding today on the Hamilton Collection Senna. Now, prior to this car going to Copart, I would have already owned this car, but in Illinois, there's a state law that says you're not allowed to buy a car, your own car, back from insurance unless it is older than 9 years. Steve was gonna buy the car back from insurance, and then I was gonna buy it from him, and everybody was gonna be happy, and I would have already been driving this car because that would have been chain of events. But it went to Copart, and I battled with the insurance for about probably 6-7 weeks while I was sitting there negotiating the purchase. But their reserve is so high, it doesn't make any sense. I'm not saying they're gonna have to come back down to reality, but I kind of feel like they're gonna have to come back down to reality, because you can't sell a crashed, missing door, broken tub, salvage title McLaren Senna for what the retail value is. Now, I think that car is worth $750,000 when it's fixed, maybe, to someone who wants to save 200 grand, 250 grand on the price of a Senna, because you can go out and get one for $950 to $1 million bucks. It is what it is. So today, the auction is in 1 hour. So right now, what I wanna do is I wanna go check on the status of my new office. I'm gonna show you guys that for the first time. And we have to go buy some stone, similar to this right here, for the floor. So we're gonna go to Floor and Decor. And in the meantime, I'm gonna pull up my phone when the auction happens, and we're gonna find out if we're gonna get this McLaren Senna. This right here is the new Houston Crosta headquarters. Now it's basically, I don't know, like, that's royalty, like right there. It's basically like walking distance. I mean, I have a scooter, Bugatti. I'm also gonna move my car dealership license here so I could use this space right here to display maybe some G-Wagons or some maybe Urus, something like that I wanna sell. Shit, might even sell like old buy here, pay here Mini Coopers. I have no idea. It's just an idea that I'm working on in my head right now. Tony, let's give him a tour. Walk on in.
Come on in, guys.
All right, so this is where you'll enter, and we've actually done a lot of work in here before I've shown anybody what's going on. Tony, will you assist us in the lights over there? You just gotta plug the cable in, and all the lights are gonna turn on. Ta-da! Lights. Okay, so when we walk in, this is the entrance right here. I am going to have my desk right here. So it's because, well, maybe right there. I don't really know. I haven't really decided yet. But basically, my desk will be in this area right here. I am going to have a like Manny Cushman-ish desk. I got an automotive one. I've already ordered it. It's massive. I'm so pumped for it. If you know me, you know the color, okay? I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna surprise everybody. We'll be able to see all of my cars right here. I've got the garage door that's gonna go in and out. I've got a second door over there that I haven't decided what we're doing with. And then I've got all these beautiful windows that I'm going to open up and make into really nice, I don't know, just nicer than that. You know, we're gonna take the blinds off and stuff. Tony's gonna be getting us some Rollodon shutters, or whatever those things are called, so it's very secure in here. We're gonna secure all of this area. The ceiling is going in sometime in the next 10 days. And over here, I have a, well, it's not small, but there's no lights, of course. This room right here is gonna become my studio, where I'm gonna have the desk and the backlit and all the cameras. I was thinking also to do a wall where I have all of my guns in here. Not all of them, but some of them, yeah. And then I've got a really nice bathroom. Oh, there's light in the bathroom, Tony. We're gonna do a nice bathroom renovation here too. So today, my goal is to go to the store where they sell tile and find out what I'm gonna do. Now, I think I've already got a really good idea of what I'm doing here. I just haven't kind of fine-tuned it. Let's see, Tony?
Yeah.
Any ideas?
They would know that you were a interior decorator in your previous life, so so whatever it is, it'll look nice.
Don't know why I got that skill. We should follow this video up with somewhat of a garage update.
People have been asking that for a really long time because you have a lot of cars that you don't show.
Tony, I'm not gonna lie. I need a garage update.
Yeah.
I don't know what
We
cars
just
I
talked
even
about
have.
it. Yeah.
I was literally trying to figure out how many cars I have yesterday.
Yeah.
And I was trying to figure out, okay, this one's in Florida, this one's in Ohio, this one's here, this one's there. Anyways, guys, listen, we're gonna go to the store, we're gonna pick out the tile, and then we're gonna follow this video up with a garage update 7 minutes away. We're almost there. You guys nervous? Not even bidding. This is a very popular boat right now. Pretty sweet, but we are 8 lots away from the Senna. And here in the last 7 is the cars that are being auctioned. The next one is a McLaren 650S. Let's see what happens. Now look, the Senna, the bid is already close to $397,000. Now there is a number in my head that I have that I will not pay over. It's pretty close. So if it goes over that number, there's not gonna be a Senna on the channel. But if it stays under that number, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get it. From the history, it's almost like 100% certainty that whoever wins the bid doesn't pay it. Favorite sushi restaurant in Las Vegas, and undercover best flavor palette on earth. We're good, let's make it happen. We gotta get some good sushi for lunch. We're buying a car right now. We're making things happen, Juju. Really slowing down here. I kind of feel like we should push the buy now button, or bid now. You can't lose at $60,000 on a McLaren. Someone in Georgia really wants this car. Fuck it, I'm just bidding against myself now. We got 3 lots left, guys. We've got a Corvette. I'm buying that for Tony. All right, guys, Tony's car. This is what he wants. He wants the Corvette. Look at these beautiful pictures. Look at that. Oh, nice. See, it's perfectly fine. Oh my God, whoever buys this, definitely not buying it. All right, we got a monster bid right there, $425. And there she goes. Do you guys understand that this car has a parts bill, $275,000, and you can't even really get the parts within a year? These guys are crazy, crazy. Sold $563,000. Okay, so let's talk about this. $563,000 is what this car just sold for, plus a 10% fee to Copart. Think about that number right now. That's another $56,000. So you're in that car for $600.
That's a lot of money.
And basically $615,000.
Delivered at $615,000.
Now the estimate on the car from the body shop was, I think, $400,000 or $500,000 because you had to replace the tub and replace all the stuff. Now, realistically, you get someone to carbon fix that thing, that's probably $70,000 to fix the tub and fix all the shit. You're probably talking about aftermarket parts, which you can find somewhere around the world. I know that for sure. The door alone, just the door from McLaren, is $120,000. Okay, now that door may come in 3 to 6 years. Like, who knows when that door is going to show up? They don't have Senna doors laying around the factory, right? They have to produce that, and they have to think, they have to get the carbon, you have to get the interior, the exterior, all the little pieces. The seat you can find on eBay for $13,000. My number on the car maximum was $450,000. I was thinking that the reserve was $500. It wouldn't have hit reserve, right? It would have gone up to the mid 400s, 470s. It would have bid to the auction there. The insurance company, the guy wouldn't have paid, and then it would have come back to negotiation. I've been negotiating with the insurance company from 2 weeks after the car was deemed a total loss with Steve. But for fucking $615,000, oh my God. Like, the best case scenario, in my personal opinion, you can fix that car for $200,000. You're $815,000 in a salvage title car. One just sold on Bring a Trailer for like $905,000. We will not be getting a Senna on the channel unless some miracle happens and that guy buys it, realizes he can't fix it for what he wants, and then sells it to me for $450. Well, to the guy that just won that auction, you're an idiot, and good for you.